Greetings, fellow earthlings, and welcome to Jeff Tech Metal Garage. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm out here on the coldest day of the year in BC. It's below zero, it's -1 Celsius. So yeah, I'm gonna do the right thing and I'm gonna change the headlights on the Focus. I've been driving to Squamish lately and it gets dark, let me tell you. It gets super dark. So we got the sun, and yeah, let me put on my director hat and welcome to Jeff Tech Metal Garage. Got some of these new Auto One assist LEDs.
One eternity later.
Yeah. Alrighty, I left it running because, like I said, it's cold out here. We need to replace this because, see, it gets in the way. And I got my little friction buddies. So yeah, we'll do that first, I guess. Everything's gotta bite you in the butt when it's cold outside, I'll tell ya. Nothing's ever simple. Got my little, Jesus. I got my little box of tricks here. Got the removers and all the different plastic pieces. I think these little ones are gonna do it. Nope. Need a fatter shoulder. Take my little Amazon kit here. Is this it? This might be too thick. Yeah, those are too thick. What do we got here? These little buttons. Little screw down button heads. That'll probably work. Why is this thing so unruly? I'm just telling you. Yeah, that'll work, but we need to screw those down, and of course I didn't bring my Phillips screwdriver. Stick 40's in there for now. Or 3, I guess. Yeah, just 3 holes. See, that'll hold that down, so when you're looking for this thing, it isn't underneath the little guy. And then these take little, can't even get to them. My fingers are just numb, son. Just put these little, yeah, we'll just shove them in there. Guess you don't really need a screwdriver. Oh boy. 2 and yeah, God graced me with his presence. There we go. Okay, now that little plastic thing's gonna stay on there. I got this kit for the Tahoe when I was replacing the inner fender wells. I'm gonna bend these 2 pieces of cardboard out because that's what keeps thwarting me from opening this up. But it's cool. The little kit comes with little plastic removers, and it's got some stake straps. It's a nice little kit. Got it off of the jungle place. And now to the actual job of the day. Put my glove back on now. I mean, it is just not warm out here. So what do we got? What do we got? Ooh, look at that. Got some QR code going on. And then we're gonna look down in here. I'm not sure if there's clips on this one or if it's just these 2 screws. I think we might be lucky on this one for some reason. 10mm. 10 millimeter. And shotgun up there. Oh wow, look at that. The whole plastic piece comes right off the top. What's that all about? Now I read in the manual that there's some kind of a clip down in here sometimes, but I do not see it, and that's why I even brought the let's just see if we could just manhandle this thing out of here. Good enough, huh? So yeah, there's the cover. That's the hole down. We turn the hole down to the left. Woo! These things are hot. They're hot and not very bright. What am I hearing? Yeah, it goes like that, I believe. And come on, hat, don't fall off. There's almost enough room for your fingers in there. There we go. And I get that a twist, lock, and then ooh, we got some brightness. And then I've also got new ones of these because they didn't look so good. Look at them, kind of getting cruddy looking. Figure I might as well get those ones while we're here. And these aren't LEDs, they're just the regular incandescent ones, because when you put LEDs, sometimes it changes the resistance of your flasher. Then you have to put resistors in line and a bunch of other silly stuff. I don't know which way those go. I guess either way. Oh, because they're incandescent, it won't matter. LEDs matter on the whole shenanigans of it all. And there's just enough room to almost get in there. I really dig that. All right. So that's one side done. This little sponge here from, oh, forgot to put the cover. Don't forget to put the cover back on. Yeah. Keep the moisture out of that lens. Put that cover. Boy, it is just not warm out here. Let me tell you, my fingers are just about numb right now. I get this behind this. All right, it's definitely whiter already. Give it a little snug down there. Yeah. Yeah, so we got lucky. These are just 10 millimeter. Wow, what's that all about? A little cap from something. I think there are 2 clips in here somewhere. But I'll be darned if I could find them. Yeah, I just don't see anything in there or in there. Ah, Jesus. I can't get this one off. Boy, they gotta make things so difficult for a guy, don't they? Just go up. Just go up. Yeah, go up. Up and out. All right, that's one way of doing it. And again, I just don't see a clip anywhere. Come in here, just this bugger off, and we'll take the flashlight out of the cooling system. Pry this sucker off. Try not to break it like I just did. Did that one too. Oh yeah, those things are hot. Let me tell you, they're smoking hot. Take this, put this back over that. And then there's the wide groove and the narrow groove, and they're pointing, flat side's pointing towards the inside, just like on the other one. I'm not understanding something for a second here. Oh, that's the... Never mind. Popping the new amber. I think that's the turn signal. And then, yeah, there we go. Oh boy, just fighting a fella. I'll pop this one back on. That's the headlight actually. It's fed from that side. Try to get this back in from the... Get in here from here. There we go. Good enough. Good enough. And oh, I forgot the cover again. Get that cover back on. Luckily we can get the cover from in here. Come on, go on there, buddy. You can do it. You can do it. Ah, this cover, this cover, this cover, this cover. Just go on, cover. All right. This has got to go on the inside of the trim ring. Little rubber. Yeah, those are definitely wider. There they are. Yeah. All right, we got that done. Woohoo! We got headlights going on, and they are much brighter than a 4. Pick up our debris. Might even just throw these bulbs back in there, just in case. We'll just return them promptly. And I know what people are gonna say, LEDs don't get as hot. So if you're driving in the ice and the snow and the rain, you're not gonna have any meltage going on. But that's fine, because I'm not driving in the ice and the snow and the rain. We're gonna check the 4-ways. Yeah, those look much better. So thanks for coming along, you guys. Chef Tech Frozen Metal Garage with Tuffy and Marley, the cheese, new and improved. Well, did you want to go see it? Yeah, let's let's go see that frozen Fraser. Look at that frozen mist. Look at that. That is ice florific. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that is crazy. Oh boy, look at that coming. Look at that coming. Wild. Come on, babies. Come on, baby Beandelmans. Why is there a brand new thing with a brand new thing? I'll use that thing. Look, it's even got a label on it. I don't know, man. I'll use that for something. Whoa, listen to it. Listen to it crushing. You can hear the ice. Look at that. Oh, that is just neat. Look at her going. Come on, buddies. Come on, puppies. Let's go up. Come on, pups. Up, 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 up. Good girl. Come on, tough, tough. Up, up. Oh, yeah. It's not like you see that every day. Wow. That is cool. Brand new dock. Dock is getting battered. That is cool. Come on, you guys, let's go get some warmness. Yeah, let's go get some warmness. I know, yellow lab. It's just your friend. Come on now, then. Come on now. Come on, baby beans. Come on, Tuffy beans. Oh, they're just good beans. Oh, littles. Oh, yeah, so that's cold. That's what cold looks like in BC. Close this one down. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Sun's going down and we got new headlights. So thanks for visiting. Have a great day and stay warm, will ya? Global warming, I just don't know anymore.